Pinky, slap, slap, dab.
Rolly check. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous.
You don't like the McLaren?
Yeah, it's nice and dope, but Lambo, I didn't know it was all-wheel drive. What you playing, 1990 DMX or something?
Yep. Yeah.
What's up with the guys? We out here in San Clemente, about to go to the car show, man. We getting the Trackhawkies washed up over there, you man, one of a kind, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whitey dripped down for him. We got the, let's see, what we got the boy.
We got the
boy.
billionaire boys, because that's what we
got
gotta
fluffy.
be.
He got that fluffy. Let me show y'all the material this time. Look at that.
Yeah, damn, he getting super close, man.
Yeah, that's how you do it, boy.
That's
You
what I'm
got
talking about with the
fluffy
dreads.
shoes.
I'm 20% cuter, self-proclaimed, baby. You know what I'm saying? Self-proclaimed.
Dreads looking good, boy.
Yeah, thanks, man. You know, I had to step it up, man.
Let me show them what I got.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
didn't take it back. See what I'm saying? They were saying I took it back.
Oh, you didn't take this back?
Versace's. You know, you just wear up raggedy like that. Shoelaces everywhere.
That's how you know you got money.
Louis bag. Versace t-shirt costs $450. I never buy a t-shirt that much no more. Cause my quality better than those. And that's how we doing it today, man. Hopefully we get there. They gonna let us in though, huh? It was just irking me if I'd have had my washed. Boy, your gonna be dirty when you got there.
Yeah. Too much tire shine?
Yeah. First wash on the Trackhawk. Magenta, I call it that because I don't know that. I'm not gonna remember. I barely can remember my name. Only way I remember my name is by calling my son Mickey over there. Mickey D, man. Right. Mickey D, man. See it mess up the texture.
Yeah. Oh yeah, did mess up the texture, the armor roll.
Especially on this one, this bottom.
I'm so glad you guys brought these. It makes people smile.
Thank you.
Thank you. So Reflections, that's a company in Vegas. They do all our cars, and we brought about 4 different cars here.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate it.
Oh yeah.
You stopped me. It takes a lot to stop me, especially when I see some originality and then you get out of the car.
Hey. What's up, bro? How you doing? Oh yeah. Yeah, we got rid of the Chargers. 1, 2, 3. Would you have your son with a sister? Yeah. Cambodian inside.
Oh, shit.
What's up, man? How y'all doing? Want to go to Vegas? Tell them we sent you. You get a discount.
Gotcha. Appreciate you.
Where's the Durango at?
I'm on the other side.
Okay, I'm gonna check. What color is it?
So I actually already got it wrapped. It's a color shift. It's between deep space.
Oh, you got that?
Yeah, between blue.
I got to see that. I would have kept my Durango, but it had a few flaws. I got it brand new.
Dude, right.
The radio was static.
Right, dude. I'm having issues with mine.
I'll be watching one of your videos. I go on the kids, I watch it, just come back. It didn't play like the whole thing.
Oh yeah.
So it's been a couple days I didn't watch it the whole day. Like it's raining or something.
Oh yeah.
The whole
gotta come back to it. What's up, brother?
Kali Muscle.
How you doing, baby?
Good, you?
Good. See, if I was your father, you'd be creased to a T. I like the glasses. You don't know where he at? I might be him.
You know what? Maybe you might be. We got the same hair.
Yeah.
Pinky, slap, slap, dab.
Rolly check. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous.
That's the first person that's ever done a rolly check. It wasn't me. Yeah.
Pearl on there,
Yes, sir.
So that's a wrap?
It is a wrap.
That must look like a.
Because you
can
see,
see
the
you got
original
the
color was reactor blue.
chameleon.
Yeah.
But it shifts between, you know, that blue and purple, and then there's like hints of that green and orange. It's really, really nice.
Yeah, I like it. It looked like blue from the back.
Yeah, exactly. And as you like, it forces you to walk around the car because of the color change.
Right,
You
exactly.
can't just see it from one angle.
So, what wrap is this?
So this is a 3M wrap.
Oh, it is?
Color is called Deep Space. my friend Mark with Signature Spec, he actually is the one that wrapped it for me, and he killed it.
Oh, yeah.
To me, is it paint job or is it a wrap? You know, and that's how you can tell it's a good wrap job. If somebody's asking if it's actually a paint job.
This is bad to the bone.
I'm going to California.
Man, just living life.
How you doing? You brought it. How you bring it out? You towed it?
No, it got shipped here.
You shipped it?
Yep,
Yeah.
a while ago.
So what you doing? You about to move out here?
I'll just come back and forth.
Oh, okay.
I don't think I move.
That's that rich man right there. Let me get a loan, man.
I need a loan.
Let me get a loan. You hooked it up.
Oh yeah, of course I had to.
Where you stay at?
I stay down in Costa Mesa.
Oh, you're in Costa Mesa? Okay.
Rich, I told you I need a loan,
Costa
man.
Mesa.
I can't even afford to live in Costa Mesa. Yeah, I seen the video when you hooked it up. It smells cold. What you getting?
A regular Hellcat 2022.
Oh, you ain't gonna get the, what's the new one called?
I had a red eye.
Jailbreak?
No, I had a red eye. I sold it because I got too much. Like you, I couldn't turn down the pricing, man.
Oh, is that right?
How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing good,
You look good.
man. Thank you,
You
thank you.
scared us all, man. We thought you
I
were like.
scared, man. I'm still in disbelief. That's what I
You
was
should have
trying to
told
bring.
3 come out here. He would have brought that lamb.
Oh, I
truck.
know. That's what I was trying to have him do. So how long you had the Lambo?
A year.
Oh, okay. Still new. You still loving it, huh?
I do. I want a Huracan real bad, but prices went.
Yeah. I want a Performante. When I get rid of the McLaren, I'm gonna get a Performante.
I just ordered an STO.
You did?
Yep, it's on order right now. I spec'd it 3 months ago, put my down payment on it. I got the allocation. Now it's just wait.
Yeah. How long are they projecting it's gonna take?
They said my allocation will go in the next month. So hopefully February, early March it goes in.
Yeah.
7 months to build and then 6 weeks on a ship.
Right, yeah.
And that's
Damn.
my car right there. So I got the
nice.
same spec, same everything.
Is that right?
Yep.
That's dope. Yeah, I can't wait to join the Lambo family. McLaren, that mother.
You don't like the McLaren?
Yeah, it's nice and dope, but Lambo, I didn't know it was all-wheel drive.
Oh, yep.
So right now I want all-wheel drive car.
Dang, all-wheel drive cars. I need a little rear-wheel drive. I like hit it. You like that?
I can't do my stuff in an all-wheel drive car.
Oh no,
I can,
what
but
you
I
mean?
can't.
Burn out the
Oh man, third set of wheels in a week.
out here.
Hell no.
he be going.
Third set of wheels in a
Supercar
week?
garage tire slayer.
Where you? I need to come and do that. Where you be doing that at?
All night tonight, everywhere we go.
He like everywhere I go.
Yeah.
You got it on YouTube?
Got on YouTube, got on Instagram.
I
Show
love
them
that.
last night before last.
Yeah.
What about AMG? Would you get an AMG?
So I got one, but I got a GT63.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm in one like that. Like
So
The
we
GT?
actually was looking at one at Euro car.
Yeah, it was yellow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I seen that one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Euro car.
Oh, you got yours from Euro?
Yep.
Come buy this.
That's a Euro car.
Come buy this.
What are you trying to get?
Nah, I'm getting the McLaren.
Oh, yeah, which
Uh-huh.
one? Which one?
570. But I'm making 1-1 now. But one
How
you
you
ain't
make
never
1-1?
seen. Yeah, I can't say too much. You know, I can't say too much.
okay.
It's gonna be 1-1. Trust me.
Okay.
Dude, that hyphy mud, that top ramen, dude, you got us into working out, man. We watch your videos, we got like motivated.
I can't believe I'm actually like meeting now.
Hey, hold on. Yeah, we need that picture.
Little snack, man, before I go eat a real meal, you know what I mean? Thank you for the day, thank you for blessing us. We ask that you continue watching over us as we drive our nice cars, live our nice life. We ask that you bless our families, friends, business partners, positive people all over the world, and negative people, that they wake up, amen. Just a little snack, man, before we go Eat some barbecue. Oh my God. Oh. Y'all know I'm ghetto.
What'd you think of the car meet today?
Oh, it was nice. Seen little youngster Josh. So he was cool. He warmed up. I don't know if he knew that was me. A lot of people nowadays like gotta ask me if I'm me.
It's that Versace sweatsuit, man.
Oh, they going crazy over there.
Yeah.
I'm about to wear this every day. Remember we went to the mall, I was in this?
Yeah.
They love it.
That's what Big Boy was saying though. They love some Versace.
Expensive, man. It's gonna be my only Versace outfit.
You eating healthy? You better be eating healthy.
Oh, yeah.
We're all watching you. Everybody.
Oh man, I was eating healthy before. So we just had a snack of 2 A's, some hash brown, guys. I need a little dose of caffeine, so gotta pull out that word gum, baby. If you ain't got yours, go to hyphylife.com. Use the code YT, and you get a discount. I gotta make sure nobody sees me. Use the code YT and get a discount. All right, guys. You want this gum? You want to keep it in your backpack, in your back pocket. Caffeine, nootropics, enter my system, so I won't be a bot.
Yeah, those are deep, bro.
Now, what are they? And they said all the parts were just because he had. What you playing? 1990 DMX or something?
Yep.
Oh,
He is.
No, he got a TRX now. Ballin'. Let us get along, man.
I need a loan.
Look at this side. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him.
Oh yeah, shirt.
Look at him. Look at him. Oh damn! Got the bust down.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? The date just? That's a new one.
Nah, it's
That's the same one.
Just as in his Irvine son, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah, look at this one. Look at that.
Like,
Look at this. Look at that. Look
You don't
at
even
this,
wear
look
yours no more.
at that.
He like, I sweat too much boxing, beating
Hey.
up these bags. And
Yeah.
I see he called people now to hit the bag. They having them flying and like, come on, can I hold the bag for me? Boop. Like, hey, that'd be funny though. You do one like through the wall or something.
Yeah. Look at these are straight transformers right here.
Look like ice
Decepticons, not an Autobot.
cream. Neapolitan.
Let's look at Hyphy
Let's get that content. Let's get that content,
Oh yeah, I
man.
get that content, boy.
Come on, do a review on
I'll
it.
take that too. I'll take.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.